Okay, welcome back to another video. Today we have a banger lined up. Today we're going to be 3D printing arrowheads for arrows for my bow. This is one that I've really been excited about doing. There's a lot of things that can go wrong, like the arrowheads could just break or the print could go out wrong, but there's also some good things that come out of it, like it goes through like an object or something. I might shoot out like a pumpkin or a cinder block, I don't know yet. But I've been scrolling through YouTube and I figured out like there's like no videos or like no demonstrations on like what happens to the arrow when it hits something when you 3D print it. I mean, everyone's like, oh, it's gonna blow apart. Well, do we know that? Today, hopefully we'll find out. So, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just finished printing the arrowheads and they look really good. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it to the shaft of the arrow and then I'm going to shoot it and see what happens. But first, I'm going to let you see what they look like. We're now outside, and right now I'm going to set up the target and hopefully shoot the arrows at a pumpkin. I have the pumpkin lined up and the cinder block, so I'm gonna fire one at the pumpkin and then at the cinder block. I also have two prototype arrows that are like don't have any tip in them. I'll shoot those two and hopefully we just destroy them. But other than that, I don't know. I just want to try out this new ghost bow and hopefully see if it works. I doubt it, and I know for sure that the arrows are gonna break when I shoot them at the cinder block, but hopefully they go through the pumpkin. I don't know if they're gonna go through both sides, but we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so first up we have the pumpkin. I'm gonna fire one arrow into that and I'm gonna save the second one for the cinder block because I know it's gonna destroy the arrow. GoPro set up and I'm gonna shoot the first one. So as you can see, the arrow didn't make it through the second wall. It only made it through the first wall of the pumpkin. I was kind of shocked by this, but granted the pumpkin was frozen, so I expected as much. So right now I just broke the block, and I mean, right now I don't have high hopes for the cinder block. I mean, it's a pumpkin. I mean, granted it's kind of frozen, but still, it's just a pumpkin. I mean, How could it break? Stupid. Okay, so some of you might be wondering, well, Martin, the video is gonna end soon because you just broke all the arrows. Well, yes and no. I mean, the arrows are broken, yes, but these still fly decently. I mean, I've shot arrows that don't have tips in them before. They don't hurt anything, but they still fly fine. So I'm gonna shoot them, hopefully do some trick shots with them, hopefully get a few yards back, but I don't know. Okay, well, just destroyed the GoPro, so that's always good. Okay, well.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, so in the end, I ended up breaking a GoPro and both the arrows, but I think it was beneficial because the arrows really held up against the pumpkin. I was shocked by that because I thought the pumpkin was going to just break the arrows like the concrete did, but it didn't, and it went straight through it. At least it went through like half of it, but it's more than I thought I was going to do. So I'm grateful for that. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else. I'm just kind of bummed about this GoPro because this GoPro is like, I don't know, $150, and now I don't have two things to film with. But the good part is I did get the SD card out, so hopefully that footage is okay. I don't know, but other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.